Do your films never quite turn out how you imagined? Do they sound bland, lack those eye-watering VFX, or simply missing that professional cinematic touch? Well, guess what? You can save it in post. Throughout my filmmaking journey, I've enjoyed working on documentaries, short films, and independent features. Plus, had the opportunity to teach hundreds of passionate film students the fundamentals of film. Like an intrepid explorer, I'm always on the hunt to capture the latest tips and filmmaking tricks while investigating the art of filmmaking. So if you're a hands-on filmmaker like me who loves storytelling through editing, wants to learn some tasty VFX, or is looking to rattle some eardrums with cinematic sound design, then let our forces combine right here on this channel. Hit subscribe and let's make movies you can truly take pride in.